We wish to update the people of Lumezi that the local authority will now resume the grading of the Mwanya to Chikomeni Road. And these are works which initially started in 2024 under the Constituency Development Fund CDF funding. So 23 casual workers were initially engaged from Mwanya Chiefdom to help with road clearing. But along the way, after about 18 kilometers of the clearing of the road, it was realized that there was a safety risk because of the wildlife presence in the national park, that is the Lukusuzi National Park. So works by the casual workers were put on hold, and the local authority has made a decision to hire a bulldozer. And right now we have actually secured a bulldozer from Shachitari Contractors Limited at a cost of 550,000 kwacha. So the bulldozer has actually arrived, and it will be here working on this particular road for a total number of 200 hours. And we hope that once the road clearing is concluded, the graders will quickly come on site, the compactor and all other road equipment will be on site to actually work on the road. So people of Mwanya are actually assured this time around that this road will be worked on and will be completed, as we will not have any other destruction or inconveniences that arose last year. And with the bulldozer on site, works will expedite, and we are very confident that we are going to complete the grading of the road here in Lumezi district. So this is a very important road as it connects the valley as well as the plateau area, the people of Mwanya as well as the people of Chikomeni. And Mwanya has some key economic activities such as fishing as well as some mining activities. So this will be beneficial to the people as well as the chiefdom of Mwanya. So under the 2025 Constituency Development Fund, we will ensure that the road is graded and completed so that it is made a lot more passable, because the majority of the stretch has actually never been graded here in the Mwanya Chikomeni Road.